Hey guys, Mr. Hescox here. Wanted to give you guys some help with your homework from yesterday. This was the study guide for 6.3. So in here, it says chemical bonds hold the atoms of, and you should say molecules, or you could put compounds in there. Involve transfer or sharing of, and then this one should be electrons. In the table below lists 3 properties of metals that are the result of metallic bonds. So metals have lots of interesting properties. For metals, obviously, they conduct heat and electricity. They are malleable, which means they can be pounded into shape. They are ductile, which means they can be drawn into a thin wire. They are often very shiny. You could have used that. They have high boiling points. Well, except for mercury. Okay, properties of ionic bonds and properties of covalent bonds. Ionic bonds tend to form a crystalline structure. Covalent bonds form molecules. Ionic bonds are very brittle. That might be spelled wrong. They conduct energy when in electricity when water. It has to be in water. Ionic bonds also have a very high boiling point. These molecules have a much lower boiling point. Think about like your oils and stuff we used to fry with. They don't conduct electricity. Circle the drawing that shows what must be an ionic solution. Well, if it's an ionic solution, it's got to be this one, because it's lighting up. The ions are positives and negatives. Well, guess what? That transmits the electricity through the liquid. What kind of compound is used to transmit impulses between nerve cells? These are ionic because it can transport electricity. There's lots of salts, sodium salt, sodium, and potassium. Name 3 forms of carbon where you might find them in your classroom. So you could have coal, that fullerene, which is in the book, graphite, which is in your pencil. If any of you girls have diamond jewelry on, that's all carbon. Wood is mostly carbon. The cellulose with some other stuff mixed in there. This has other stuff in it, but we'll just go ahead and take that off. But all of those other ones are completely made out of full-blown carbon. Alright guys, wanted to help you guys out. Hopefully I see you soon. Have a good day.